Welcome back to MegaBuilds Pro. The transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is entering its most crucial phase yet. With just weeks left before FC Barcelona's expected return, massive construction progress and critical deadlines are shaping the future of this iconic stadium. Let's dive into the latest updates from the ground. The final roof trusses are being staged and lifted. Only a few more remain before the full structural ring is closed. A major milestone in the stadium's rebirth. In the Gol Norte and Gol Sur zones, construction of the upper platforms is nearly complete. Precast staircases have been installed in multiple corners, and major support elements are now locked in. Steel reinforcements, handrails, and glass panel mounts are being positioned, giving us a glimpse of the final look. In the Tribuna and VIP areas, crews have sealed off the elevator zones and enclosed key sections. Protective black coatings have been applied to exposed steel, ensuring both durability and a premium look. Interior corridors and staircases are being refined, with paint, finishes, and access structures nearly done. Stadium corners now show clear geometric lines. The architectural identity of Camp Nou 2.0 is coming to life. Special thanks to EspaiHector for capturing and uploading the latest visuals of Camp Nou, which made this update possible. Work underground is picking up pace, especially in Phase 2 of the parking structure. Fresh concrete slabs are being poured, and rebar mesh is laid for reinforced stability. New Jersey barriers and fencing are defining circulation routes, preparing the stadium for safe fan access and emergency logistics. FC Barcelona has confirmed that the Joan Gamper Trophy, August 10th, will not be played at Camp Nou. The new reopening target is September 14th or 15th, aligning with the team's first La Liga home match, and possibly a Champions League group stage clash. The club has also asked UEFA to play their first home UCL game away, just in case. Note, while the stadium structure will be ready, the full 105,000-seat experience won't be possible until mid-2026. For now, expect a 60,000-seat limited capacity upon reopening. Final roof trusses going up, VIP and interior sections nearly done. Underground and circulation zones advancing fast. Mid-September reopening in sight, with limited fan capacity. This isn't just construction. This is the rebirth of a football cathedral. The countdown is on. Will you be there when Camp Nou rises again? That was today's Camp Nou update. For more exciting transformations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay connected with MegaBuilds Pro to catch every new change as it happens. We'll be back soon with fresh updates only here on MegaBuilds Pro. Thanks for watching.